What if I told you that $10 or even $0 investment could make your car's AC blow like new? While mechanics are scamming you with $2,000 repairs you don't need, I'm about to drop 21 insane hacks that'll turn your rolling sauna into an Arctic blast. Most are completely free, others cost pocket change, and together they'll drop your vent temps by 15 plus degrees. Hack number 21. Don't switch off AC for weeks. Here's a costly mistake that'll bite you later, completely avoiding your AC for weeks to save fuel. While rolling down windows might save a few bucks weekly, it creates expensive problems. When AC systems sit idle, rubber seals dry out and start leaking refrigerant. Even worse, compressor internals begin corroding because metal parts aren't being lubricated by circulating refrigerant oil. This leads to seized compressors costing $1,200 plus to replace. The solution is simple. Run your AC for at least 5 to 10 minutes every week, even in winter. This keeps seals moist, prevents corrosion, and maintains system health year-round. Hack number 20. Don't point vents directly at you. This sounds completely insane, but trust the process. Blasting vents straight at your head might feel amazing initially, but you're literally throwing away precious cold air. It creates terrible circulation patterns and burns more fuel while turning your skin and throat into the Sahara Desert. For maximum efficiency, angle side vents toward your windows and center vents toward your ceiling. This creates superior air circulation and chills your entire cabin faster instead of just creating a tiny cold bubble around your head. Hack number 19. Don't use maximum fan speed. Prepare to have your mind completely blown. Maximum fan speed doesn't equal maximum cooling power. When air rockets across the evaporator too fast, it never gets enough contact time to reach proper freezing temperatures. Try dialing your fan back to roughly 75% instead of full blast. This slower airflow creates more dwell time for heat transfer, delivering genuinely colder air to your vents. It defies logic, but the science is rock solid. Hack number 18. Park in the shade or use windshield sunshades. Here's where most drivers completely blow it. They ignore the sun's brutal assault on their vehicle. Picture this: when the mercury hits 80 degrees, your car transforms into a 118-degree death trap in under 40 minutes of blazing sunlight. Your poor AC system is basically trying to cool down a pizza oven. The absolute game changer? A measly $8 reflective windshield barrier from any discount store can slash your interior temperature by a whopping 40 degrees. Stack this with smart shade parking, and you've just rescued your cooling system from brutal overtime. Here's the kicker. Scorching days force your AC to guzzle up 20% more fuel than comfortable weather. This single strategy cuts that waste right in half. Hack number 17. Let the hot air out. Stop wasting 15 minutes pre-chilling your car before driving. You're burning fuel and torturing your compressor for no reason. Here's the correct technique that actually works. Jump in your vehicle, set AC to minimum, drop all windows for exactly 15 seconds while your system activates. Next, blast fan to maximum power. When cooling begins, slam front windows shut fast. Keep rear windows slightly open for another 15 seconds, then seal everything. This method blasts out superheated air and gives your AC manageable ambient temperature instead of battling that 140-degree furnace. Hack number 16. Activate recirculation mode for lightning-fast cooling. This is the control you've been completely misusing for years. When you're running AC while pulling in outside air, you're forcing your system to chill 100-plus degree air every single moment. Switch to recirculation mode, and your system begins recycling already chilled cabin air, immediately reducing compressor workload and accelerating cool down by up to 50%. Real testing showed switching to recirculation slashed vent temperatures from 18 degrees down to 10 degrees in half the time. Critical tip: never use recirculation when your car has been baking in sunlight and interior temps hit 150 degrees. Evacuate that blasting air first, then activate recirculation. Hack number 15. Seal the radiator condenser air gap. Ever notice your AC feels Arctic on highways but pathetic at red lights? You probably have a gap between radiator and condenser that's hemorrhaging up to 1/3 of your fan's precious airflow. Get a $10 roll of EPDM closed cell weather sealing foam, prep surfaces with rubbing alcohol, and plug that gap permanently. Drivers report vent temperature drops of 10 to 15 degrees with this basic modification. Skip open cell foam. It absorbs oil and disintegrates quickly. Hack number 14. Clear your AC drain tube immediately. There's a small rubber tube underneath your vehicle, typically on the passenger side, that removes water from your evaporator. When it blocks up, and it absolutely will, you're facing a hidden catastrophe. Clogged drainage creates trapped moisture, which breeds mold, fogs windows, soaks carpets, and, worst of all, freezes your evaporator solid. You'll experience cool air for 10 minutes, then absolutely nothing. Crawl under your car, locate the tube, and gently squeeze the end. If nothing flows out, clear it with a plastic straw or trimmer line. Never use metal tools. When the blockage breaks free, you'll hear water rushing out and immediately feel 5 to 7 degrees colder air. Hack number 13. Service your cabin blower motor. Behind your glove compartment sits a cage-style fan that's probably transformed into a massive lint collector. Dust, pollen, pet fur, and debris wrap around fan blades, strangling airflow without obvious symptoms. Even a thin coating of gunk slashes airflow by 15 to 20%. Remove the glove box, unbolt the motor assembly, and vacuum fan blades with a brush attachment. Some DIY mechanics see 5-degree vent temperature improvements without touching refrigerant levels. Hack number 12. Repair active grill shutters. Those small shutters in your front grill aren't just fuel economy gadgets. They can completely destroy your AC when they malfunction. When they fail to open completely, your condenser suffocates from lack of airflow, pressure skyrockets, and vents blow lukewarm air instead of Arctic blasts. Stuck shutters can increase vent temperatures by 10 to 12 degrees. Use a flashlight to inspect behind the grill, clear debris, lubricate hinges, or zip tie them open as an emergency fix. If you're enjoying the content, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Hack number 11. Replace damaged door seals and weather barriers. Cracked, compressed, or peeling weather seals act like invisible openings in your cabin. They allow hot, humid air infiltration, forcing your compressor to work excessively hard. Even microscopic leaks can increase vent temperatures by 7 to 9 degrees and waste an additional 15 gallons of fuel each summer. Fresh OEM seals run $40 to $100 per door, or DIY with $15 bulb tape and a heat gun. Hack number 10. Disable Eco Mode completely. That innocent Eco button is secretly sabotaging your cooling system. When Eco Mode activates, your vehicle intentionally restricts cooling power to conserve fuel. It reduces compressor power, slows fan speeds, and introduces warm air prematurely. Deactivate Eco Mode and most vehicles instantly deliver 5 to 9 degrees colder air. Hybrid and electric vehicles are even more restrictive. This cost may be a couple of dollars weekly, but preserves your comfort. Hack number 9. Install premium window film. Glass permits over 50% of solar heat penetration, and once trapped inside, even powerful AC systems struggle. Quality ceramic or infrared blocking film stops up to 64% of total solar energy, creating cabins that start 20 degrees cooler. This isn't about dark windows. Premium film blocks invisible infrared heat. Even clear films like 3M Crystalline 70 can outperform limousine dark dye. Hack number 8. Refill your refrigerant. Hold up. Before you go crazy with refrigerant, this is where things get dangerous if you mess up. Overstuffing your system is an absolute disaster waiting to happen. But here's the insider secret mechanics don't want you knowing. Your car's coolant never goes bad and lasts indefinitely in a flawless sealed environment. The catch? Zero systems stay perfectly sealed forever. Vehicles naturally lose about 7% of refrigerant yearly, which weakens cooling. You can snag a refill canister for less than $10, but grab R134A for classic vehicles, not that overpriced R1234YF stuff. Dealerships will push a $300 system flush plus mysterious repairs you absolutely don't need. Study up, take it slow, and potentially save hundreds of your hard-earned cash. Hack number 7. Inspect your fan belt. This is critical for vehicles with serious mileage. Your fan belt links the compressor directly to your engine's power. When it starts losing grip, your compressor spins at wrong speeds. This isn't just about weak cooling. It can fry your compressor completely. Scan for surface cracks, check for looseness, or listen for that telltale screaming sound. A fresh fan belt runs less than $65, which is absolutely nothing compared to a $1,200 compressor disaster. This quick 5-minute check could rescue you from thousands in damage. Hack number 6. Remove dirt from the condenser. Your condenser lives at your vehicle's front end, acting like a giant magnet for insects, grime, and road debris. When bugs get cooked into the condenser by engine heat, it blocks critical heat release. This forces your compressor into overdrive and can trigger a $1,200 meltdown. Here's the proper cleaning method. First, let your car cool completely and disconnect the battery for safety. Use alkaline-based cleaner, never acidic, to avoid damaging protective coatings. Spray the solution, let it sit 3 to 5 minutes, then gently brush with up and down strokes only, never horizontal to prevent fin damage. Rinse thoroughly with water. For stubborn debris, repeat the process. This basic maintenance makes your AC noticeably more powerful instantly. Hack number 5. Replace your AC relay and test voltage. That tiny $15 relay beneath your hood might be choking your AC system. When relays deteriorate, they reduce voltage to compressor clutches and cooling fans. Just 1 volt loss can reduce clutch force by 20%. Test voltage at clutch connections with AC operating. When it's more than half a volt below battery voltage, swap the relay and clean corroded connections. Vent temperatures can instantly drop 10 degrees. Hack number 4. Clean AC inlet. That section beneath your windshield where air enters your cooling system, it's probably stuffed with leaves, trash, and potentially dangerous mold. When you detect funky odors from your AC, this spot is usually the villain. For standard cleaning, simply sweep away obvious junk. If you're dealing with mold contamination, set your AC fan to minimum speed, open all windows, and blast Lysol or specialized AC cleaner into the inlet. Your fan will distribute it throughout the entire system and destroy bacterial colonies. Remember to remove your cabin filter first for this technique to work. Hack number 3. Replace the cabin air filter. A contaminated cabin air filter reduces airflow by up to 40%, making vents feel 5 to 10 degrees warmer even when your AC system operates perfectly. It's like attempting to cool your house through barely open windows. Most filters hide behind glove compartments. Drop it down, slide out the dirty filter, install a $15 replacement. Take 7 minutes and vent temperatures typically improve immediately. Cabin air filters should be replaced every 12,000 to 15,000 miles. But if you drive in dusty conditions or have pets, check it every 6 months. Optimal checking time is after autumn leaves fall. You might only need to blow it clean or vacuum debris if it's not too dirty but just has leaves or other particles stuck to it. Hack number 2. Check your coolant. Here's a mind-bending fact. Engine coolant doesn't create cabin cooling, but missing coolant kills your AC, stone dead. Most vehicle computers automatically disable AC compressors during overheating situations to prevent catastrophic engine damage. Here's how to check it properly. Open your hood and locate the coolant reservoir. It's usually labeled and translucent so you can see inside. Check the side markings for full and low levels. If coolant is at or near the low mark, add more immediately. Never open the cap when the engine is hot. Pressurized coolant can cause serious burns. Always let the engine cool completely first. When did you last verify your coolant levels? Low coolant triggers overheating, which murders your AC exactly when summer heat becomes unbearable. Hack number 1. Make sure both fans are working. Behind your front grille sit 2 critical cooling fans that blow air through your condenser to expel heat from refrigerant. When one fails, your AC works temporarily but will overheat in traffic or in idle, causing lukewarm air and potential compressor damage. Here's the test. Start your engine, blast AC on full for 5 minutes. Both fans should spin actively. If only one works or neither operates, you're facing reduced cooling capacity and possible system failure. Avoid OEM dealer parts. Aftermarket fans cost under $100 versus $300 to $500 at dealerships. Most of these tricks cost pocket change. Several cost absolutely nothing, and combined they'll save you thousands in bogus repairs. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button and subscribe for more auto content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.